It's Anna and Anson today. Today we're not gonna make art, but we're gonna make
No, we're not gonna draw, but we're making our art.
We're making some cool tie-dye shirts.
Oh!
We're gonna be using tulip tie-dye shirt. It comes with everything you need except for the t-shirts. You have to get it by your own. Here's what you will need. You'll use the plastic bottles. You'll also have some tie-dye powder. The tie-dye powder is also already in the bottle, but if you want to make more, the tie-dye powder is here. We have some white gloves, not to stain, 40 rubber bands, and you'll need cotton shirts to dye it, and you'll get the collector's guide just in case you want to make some cool designs. Here's the box. You'll also need water and something to cover up your work area so it doesn't stain onto the table. Let's make it! Woohoo! Step 1 is to get our shirts and tie them. How you swirl and tie your shirt is the way your shirt is actually gonna look out. So if you do it like a swirl, your final look will look like a swirl. And the colors you add will also stay on the shirt. Okay, let's start tying. My shirt is gonna be like the striped one. It's almost stripey and dotty. What's yours gonna be?
Mine is gonna be this bright
Swirl one. The bright swirl one. Okay, let's see how to tie our shirts. I've already tied our shirts into knots and all the designs we want, and I just finished the tie-dye bottles. Make sure to wear gloves because it could get a little messy. Yeah, you just gotta, I finished the water and shaked it for about 1 minute, and then screw it on back at the cap. And this is the most exciting part. Tie! Today, we're going to be rinsing them and we could wear them. So you've got to get we use plastic wrappers to wrap it around overnight.
So, like, vacuums, fight it away and throw it to
Yeah. So the paint doesn't get all over. And now you want to get the plastic wrapper off and rinse it in cold water. Make sure you have your gloves on so the stain won't get onto your hands. Okay, let's unwrap one of the t-shirts. Wow, it's so cool. And make sure to take off the rubber bands. Now we're done washing our tie-dye shirts, and now it's time to put it in the washer and the dryer. Now we're gonna wash and dry our t-shirts. 3, 2, 1, go! We're done with our shirts.
Ooh la la!
Ooh, they look amazing. Just telling that when you're done with your shirt, some colors may blend in to make different colors. Like my shirt. So I used the turquoise and the green together to blend it into light blue. So that's pretty cool about tie-dye, we noticed. And now we have a tie-dye themed day. Tie-dye themed hike day. Fun, fun, fun. Bye. Thanks for watching our video. And hope to be sweet. And hope you're awesome. Bye-bye. Dun, 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 dun.
problem.